Shakas. Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to respond to a questionnaire. I think that's what it's called. That's going around YouTube. And it was originated from Cornflower Crafts here on YouTube. I will put the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go and check her out. But she is tagging everyone, and so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna tag you as well. And so there are 7 questions to respond to, and I think it's in reference just because of the times that we are in with COVID-19. But the first question is, how are you holding up? And we're holding up fine in Mesa, Arizona. There are empty shelves here and there. We are under a stay in place, maybe. I'm not even sure what it's called because really it's a joke. Like, if you go out on our streets, it's less traffic, but there's still lots of people out and about. So I don't know. He's taking it upon, or he's putting it out. Our governor, I think, is putting it out there to let us decide, you know, to stay home, stay away from people, or to go out and do whatever. I'm not sure, but we're doing good. Yesterday I did go grocery shopping, and was the first time I wore a mask and gloves. We're not there yet, and actually I live in Maricopa County here in Arizona, and the update so far here in Arizona is for the state, the total state, Arizona has 2,575 cases with 73 deaths. And then in my county that I live in, we have 1,495 confirmed cases with 34 deaths. And I think that's been since this morning. So, but we are holding up good. My husband works for Waste Management, so he's an essential worker. I go into the office Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays just to check on emails and voicemails. Otherwise, I'm working from home. I work for a property manager. And my daughter, they've started online schooling last week, so she's been home. My son works from home, and I believe his girlfriend is now working from home as well. The next question is number 2. Are you binge watching anything? No, the only thing I'm binge watching is YouTube. I feel like I can finally be caught up on everyone's videos. Not super caught up, like, but at least I'm watching them within a 24-hour period of them being posted. I have very select shows that I watch on TV, and when I watch them, I usually watch the whole season at one time because I can't stand waiting till the next week to figure this out. And I hate commercials. So, question 3. How are you spending quality time during quarantine time? Well, we're just spending it the same. My husband works Monday through Friday. So on Saturday and Sunday, we all just hang out as a family. Lately, it's been at home more. We can't wait to get out to the desert. So number 4, are you crafting more or less? I'm crafting more, although not so much projects, making embellishments, trying to use up stuff that I just have around that I don't know what to do with. So trying to find a purpose to do something with them. Is your family, number 5, is your family crafting with you? No, they don't ever craft with me. However, today my daughter wanted to do a diamond dots painting that I have had since September and haven't ever did it. So she's been working on that all afternoon. How are your fur babies coping with you being home all day? Well, my fur baby is a Chihuahua, and he is connected at the hip to me when I am home, so he probably just loves it. Number 7, how are you shopping nowadays? So as far as craft stuff, online, but not very much. I get frustrated with like their checkout process, and I don't buy anything full price, so it's hard to find like the sale prices. I don't know. But I have been shopping online, AliExpress, and then like for personal items, grocery, that kinds of stuff, I am venturing to the store. Like I said today, no, yesterday, I hadn't been to the store for over a week, so yesterday I had to go just for like milk, bread, and little stuff, and then I picked up like extras because I saw it. But yeah, so that is the questions of caring that Cornflower Crafts put out about 2 weeks ago. I will link her channel in my description box, like I said below. You can go check her out. So I want to tag any of you if you feel like sharing and letting us know what's been up with you during this quarantine time. Otherwise, hope you guys are having a crafty week, and until the next video, shakas!